Welcome to Tellurium Tutorials. This video will show you how to add some basic features to your model. Specifically, you will learn how to fix species concentrations and name the reactions. First, let me show you how to name reactions. In order to name reactions, you put any letter or number in front of the reaction you want to name. We will call the first reaction J1. The name must be followed by a colon in order to indicate to Tellurium that it's a name. We will name the second one J2. Now our reactions are named. It is useful to name our reactions because this allows us to plot the reaction rates. In order to do this, we must change the simulate method. We want to go from time 0 to time 10 with 100 steps. Then, inside square brackets, we must specify what we want to plot. On one axis we want time, and on the others we want the reaction rates, so we call the names of each reaction. Now when we hit play, we can see that we have a graph of the reaction rates changing over time. Now let me show you how to fix species concentrations. When we plot our basic model, our graph looks like this. We can see that all the species concentrations are changing. Sometimes we want to fix species A, or one of the other species in our reaction. In order to do this, we have to use a $sign in front of the species that we want to fix. When we fix species A, we are telling Tellurium that there is an endless supply of species A at a concentration of 2.0. Now when we run the file, we can see this new graph only plots species B and C because species A is fixed, so Tellurium doesn't plot it. And we can see how species B and species C change over time when there's a constant supply of species A. Fixing species in this manner is useful because it allows us to model situations where there's an endless supply of one of the species in the reaction. Now you know how to add two features to your Tellurium models that allow you to build more complicated models.